Welcome to another new video on Mini Profile Welder made by Nikit Engineers Welding Automation and Robotics Solutions, where innovation meets precision. Today, we're diving into the world of chain pin welding, showcasing our cutting-edge wire feeding technology on our Mini Profile Welder. Our Mini Profile Welder is a marvel of engineering, designed to deliver consistent and high-quality welds with unparalleled efficiency. With our advanced wire feeding system, precise control is at your fingertips. Whether you're working with mild steel, stainless steel, or aluminum, our Mini Profile Welder ensures optimal penetration and strength, every time. From standard chain links to custom designs, our welding solution adapts to your needs, providing flexibility without compromising on performance. Experience the durability and reliability of chain pins welded with precision. For unmatched quality and efficiency in chain pin welding, choose Nikit Engineers Welding Automation and Robotics Solutions. Contact us today to discover the future of welding technology.